I'm here at Imperial with Kyle. Kyle's got a brand new remote control for this truck that does a lot of neat things. Why don't you tell me a little bit first about the features of this remote control and what you can do with it?
Our customers, it allows them to use their PTO on and off without being close to the truck. You have the option from switching from pressure, neutral, vacuum. You also can have your valve, your discharge, your intake. You can do jetters. I mean, there's multiple things we can do.
Customizable features, so we can go to Imperial and say, this is what I need this remote to do.
Absolutely.
And you guys can make it happen?
Yep.
Okay, so I would think if I'm in the field and I'm working at a distance on the end of a hose or something like that, it's got to save me a ton of time running back and forth.
Yep, you don't have to go back to close your valves. You don't have to go back to put it in neutral. I mean, or switch from vacuum to pressure. Allows you to do everything right at the end of your hose.
Safety, efficiency, those are kind of the main benefits. Yep. I would think even just wear and tear on my body, running back and forth, jumping in and out of the truck, things like that.
Yep, absolutely.
Awesome. I know we've got one set up for a simple demo here. You can open and close the valve on this truck.
Yep.
Why don't you show us how that works? Very cool. Okay, so now I've got this remote. How far away can I use this?
You can probably go anywhere from 100 to 300 feet, depending, what a line of sight you have and
sure. I mean,
clear signal.
All safety considered. But
yep.
If I had had to use it 300 feet, possibility.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so we come into the back of the truck here now, Kyle, and again, you can use it for your intake or discharge valves.
Correct.
Okay.
Yep. You can operate multiple intakes, or just discharge, or just one. It's however you want to do.
And again, fully customizable, so I'm deciding what I want it to operate.
Yep.
And you've got this set up for what, your intake, I think?
Correct.
Okay, why don't you give me a shot on that?
Yep. And we do have options like lights that will show you if it's open or closed.
So you could get a visual on if it's open or closed. Yep. From 100 feet away.
If you're
again.
operating in the back and you don't know where you're at, even with your blower, we have options to show you if you're in pressure, neutral, vacuum, or your valves are open or closed.
And that'd be the way you'd want to set it up again from the efficiency standpoint for a guy who's continually operating from a distance. That would be a smart setup to get.
Correct.
Thanks again, sir.
Yep, thank you.